Disneyland. Yes, I come to Disneyland a lot. You have a season pass, you want to get the best of it, destroying the house or having a really good time at Disneyland. I'm picking Disneyland. I'm just with Grayson. I am bringing the wagon because he has a hard time walking long distances. There's that. But when he is motivated, he will take off, so I'm also bringing a leash. Pronto Wagon is amazing, and they let you bring them into Disneyland. For any little people that are interested, or anybody that's interested in like a twin stroller, it also is a twin wagon and all that good jazz, and tons of storage. And it's low, so you can see over the handlebars, steering wheel, what is that thing called? Push bar? Don't know. We're not staying that long. I need to go pick up 1,000,000 Girl Scout cookies because you guys are amazing. Anyways, let's go enjoy Disney and we'll see what the day brings. You are committed. That is like a true Disney Star Wars fan. No doubt. We got the best seat in the house. Just through those little gates right there beyond that police car is the tram. Cha-ching, it's gonna be a great day. Too loud. Okay, so we are going on a canoe. I've never done this at Disney. It's our first ride. Let's go.
Walking canoe is a very low budget ride. Yay!
Hey,
judging by the looks in your faces, though, it took you guys 2 minutes of paddling before you realized this wasn't the Jungle Cruise, huh? Surprise!
Good job.
All right, everybody. Well, you at least can take solace in the fact that we are at the halfway point. That's right. We are halfway there.
Woohoo!
Oh, check it out, guys. Hey, if you guys want to know urban legends, urban legend, folks, check it out, guys. Look at this hill. This right here.
Definitely something to do. Y'all, I just have to give a shout out to this woman behind me. If you know her, please tell her I say thanks from the bottom of my heart. Why is that? Because she not only caught Grayson's oar, but she caught Grayson's hat as well and then fell backwards doing it.
Grown-ups, watch your little ones. Make sure their fingers are completely inside.
Here we go! Now we're on Winnie the Pooh because we're in the same area. You know, trying to... Whoa! Was that crazy? Is this fun? Yes or no?
Yes, baby.
Fun little short trip to Disneyland, and now we are on our way to pick up Girl Scout cookies for sister. He's happy he got his favorite thing. You're weird.
Peace out, homie.
He looks so dirty now.
It's alright.
These are two of my brownie moms, and I can't express how much I adore them. Come and get your cookies. All right, end of the day. Now I'm gonna take this guy for a walk. Woo! chills through my body. All right, let's go. It's been a fun day. As if I didn't walk enough at Disneyland.